If you want to charge other devices using your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case we have two methods. We can use wireless power sharing option and the wired power sharing option. As for the wireless power sharing option, or reverse wireless charging, we need to go to settings on our Motorola, then we're going to scroll down a little bit, and we need to find battery settings. Then over here in battery settings, we want to find power sharing option, and then here we can turn it on. Once it is enabled, you should be able to place your phone face down, just like that, and then you can place another device on top of your Motorola. Put it in the center, and then we should be able to start charging. There we go, this is how it looks like. Of course, you can only charge wirelessly, like that. Other devices, of course, so if you want to charge using the wireless power sharing option, that other device that you want to charge must support wireless charging. Now, of course, besides that, we can also use a USB cable, so we also have the wired power sharing option. And in this case, we need to use a cable that fits both devices. Now, of course, this can be another smartphone, this can be a Bluetooth device, and so on and so forth, anything that can be charged with a USB cable. We just have to connect both devices together, so let me just connect the phone to another phone. There we go, just like that. And then we should start charging that other device. Now, of course, it is possible that your phone is going to be charged instead of charging. So if that is the case, if your Motorola is being charged, then we need to open notifications, then go to charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification, and then again to open USB preferences. And then here at the bottom we have charge connected device. We need to turn this option on, and then you should be able to switch. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.